What if you could create your own building objects, save them and then use them whenever you need them? Then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you how. Hi everyone and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. Within this video we're going to jump into Avontus Designer. I'm going to show you how to create a wooden board ready for your designs using building objects. Let's get started. I need to drag in a beam. This dialog box will appear. Obviously you fill out this information on for what you're wanting to create. So for this I'm wanting to create a wooden plank. This is the same process for your steel plank or ply boards, whatever you're wanting to make. I need to make a 5-foot board. I'm going to bring it off my drawing page. I'll just put it at 2 meters for now. And obviously this start elevation is there. The end elevation is there. Just means it'll be on an angle if you don't have these correct. Keep it as a box. This is the height of my board. So the thickness of my board, 36 millimeters. Width 225 millimeters. The wall thickness, it's a solid board, so I'll just keep that as 0. Obviously if it's a tube, then obviously you put your wall thickness of your tube. I want it at the bottom, so every time I lift it off the page, so 2 meters will be the bottom of the board it'll measure from. So I don't need to change the direction at the minute. Part number, right. So if I scroll down to my wooden planks, there you go, 5-foot board. So why have I done that? Is so every time I pull this out my stencils, it'll reference in my bill of materials a 5-foot board. Change the colour, and there we go. Click apply, click OK, into my model view, and there it is. There's my tiny little part. So you can see I've made a 5-foot board there. Now I've made it, I can drag it into here to save, change the name, 5-foot board, click out, and then I can click save. So every time I open a new drawing page up now, I can drag these out as needed and it will show up in my bill of materials. There you go. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you want to know more about Avontus Designer, please reach out to our support team today, or you can visit our website, avontus.com. And thanks again for watching.